Hey guys, welcome back to another amazing video, and in this tutorial we are going to learn how you can see who unfollowed you over on Instagram. So let's get started. Alright, so the first thing all you need to do, you're gonna go to your profile section and over there navigate up to the top three lines and then go to your activity. Now scroll down at the very bottom. Here you will find download information. Now you have to type your email address and Instagram will send a copy of your information to your email address, and from there you can easily download the information. So I'm going to add my email address, hit request download. Now you have to type your password, hit next, and we have done. The download request is sent. Now you have to wait for a few minutes and Instagram will send a copy of your information to your email address platform. Okay, so here I have got my information. You can see your Instagram information. Now simply click on download information and it will redirect you to a browser where you have to log in with your account and then simply click on download information and your information will be downloaded. Alright, so once the information will downloaded, now you have to unzip the file. So we have got this file right here, and then you're gonna go and open that file and go to followers and following. So we actually need these two files right here, followers and following. So I'm going to open this up in my desktop. Alright, so here we have these two files. Just simply open that up. Now if you're having a lot of followers, then it will be very difficult for you to know who unfollowed you on Instagram. But if you are having some less followers, like below 100 or maybe below 200, then it will be easy for you. Just all you need to do, you have to open these two files and compare your followers and following. From here you can easily notice who unfollowed you are on Instagram. So this is how you know who unfollowed you on Instagram. So all for today's video guys, make sure to give this video a huge thumbs up, subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching.